Hello, welcome to the next tutorial on building web pages with HTML. Um, this is a script from the previous one. I'll clear it. And today, before we start, let me talk about something. Today we'll be dealing with building, including pictures into our website. Okay, including pictures about website. HTML supports every uh, image extension. So let's say JPG, it supports JPG, it supports PNG, it supports JPG, it supports is it BTM or bit I think uh, uh, GIF, yeah, and many other. It supports all extension, but all you need to do to access that image, you have to what, create a tag. You know, HTML, as I said, it always have tags. We display elements, right? We display things with tags. Okay, so to display an image, we use the image tag, which is greater a less than image sorry image. Then you put the source, src, which means the source, and a colon, right? Then you close, sorry you close the tag, or you can leave it like this, but sometimes I prefer putting it so that it assures you that you've closed. Alright, now to specify and to display an image, this is what you use. This is the image, the tag that you have to use to display. As you see it, img saying img, if you look at it, means image, then src means source, then the location of the or the file of the picture goes here. Now I've created a folder. Here is it, and in that is images. We have an images folder. Then I have the actual web that will display the image, the web HTML that will display the image. Now for good practice, it's good to put all images into one box, so that it makes uh, everything look organized and very accessible easily. So sometimes if you are creating a form and you want to include profile pictures, you can say images, right, and create another folder, then you make it profile, or you can create a folder here, create a folder, and you make it profile. So it's like a work keep a way that you can make your work easy and organized and neat. So but I'm not going to use the profile because I'm not doing anything concerning that. So let me close, let me delete it. Now what you do is that how to display an image in the image, an image in HTML or a web page. You have to what, really know the name of the of the picture. So let's say, so in here you could see that it's php dot jpg. The dot jpg is the extension, so HTML will support it. So let's include here we go here, we will type images, which is the folder slash what php dot jpg. Okay, this is how you display, this is how you get your images. So let's say, I've already opened it. Okay, let me refresh it. Oh, I think I've gone to the wrong. Let me close it. Okay, sorry. Let me go back and open. Wait, I like using Google Chrome a lot, so it takes some time, right? Okay, it's up. Alright, loading. You see it has displayed. You see how it is. It has displayed the PHP image. Okay, so you see how it has displayed. This is how you display images in web pages. Now let's say you want to increase the height or decrease the width. Well, it accepts another form. We can say, we can specify that the height should be, let's say, two sorry 200, and let's look at the height first. Let me go refresh it. It will reduce. Let me reduce it. Okay, let me increase it to, let's say, 500 and see how it affects the height. Okay, see, it has enlarged it. So you can control the height and the width with the HTML. So let's say the width, I make it, let's say, 600. Let me see how it affects the width. Okay, it has reduced. Let me make it, let's say, 1000. Woo. 1000. Save it. See, it has increased. So this is how you include images to websites or web pages, to be specific, and this is how you control the height and the width of the images in website. Now this 500 here means 500 pixel, but when you write this, it's not acceptable, so you leave it as in 500. So the pixel, the how to your specified length, you can make your your height in fitting you. Okay, the width, you can make it to fit you, to fit your work. So this is how you include websites in how you include images in websites. Okay, let me do something here and I'll show you how to make. You see, right now I can't click it, so let me create. I can't click it, but you know, sometimes, like Facebook, when you click on your images, your profile picture, it takes you to your profile page. You understand me? So this, let me, that's called a hyperlink. Okay, that activity that Facebook does is called hyperlink. So let me do something. I will copy this one and paste it here. Alright, and I'll make it profile. Alright, and here let me open in my text editor. Alright, and I'll make it all right. Let's see, I like each one. Let me write something. Go the tag and say you are in the in the profile page, something like that. Okay, right. And let me reduce this one to the 500, 70 by 100, something like that, 70 by 100. Okay, all right. Now I want this is the whole idea. Okay, all right. I want to display my, as if I click this one, I want it to go to a different web page or a different site or a different location, web location, by clicking this. Okay, so right now I'm clicking it and I'm not being redirected to any place or directed to any place. So what you do here to create that link or hyperlink, we use a tag called the anchor tag, which starts with a, then you specify the reference and you make it what is the name, where do I want to transfer, if somebody clicks on the image, where I want to transfer the image to. Okay, I want to transfer to the profile HTML page, so I paste it there. Okay, then and I close my tag. Let's see what happens. Save it. Let's see what happens. Let me refresh it. Okay, you see it has changed the pointer, the mouse pointer, the cursor. Okay, you see that it has changed. Let me click on it. You are in the profile page, and you see that it has changed to profile page. When I go back, it's web html.html, but when I click on it, it has gone to the profile.html page. So this is how you create links of pictures, and you can create another one. You can use, it doesn't apply only to pictures, but you can apply to anything. Let's say a ref, which will show you the location of the HTML page. So let's say a ref profile .html. Okay, then I'll say p, of course my p tag, then I'll say Eric wants to go to the profile page. Alright, then let me close my anchor tag. Alright, let me save it, go back to my browser, go back to the web HTML. Alright, this is it. Eric wants to go to the profile page, so it can apply to pictures, videos, or sentences. So you see, Eric wants to go, wants to go wants to go to the profile page. So how do I go to my profile page? Click on this one. Now I'm in the profile page. This is how you create hyperlinks and images with hyperlinks or anchor tags, or to go to a different page. Anything that you call it is good, so far as you get your 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 location correctly, it will always what go to the right place that you want. So this is how you create an hyperlink in web pages and include images. You can include audios, you can include videos, which I will show you on a different tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. As always, like, research, read more, and ask any questions if you have one. And I'd like you to uh, like this video if you want, if it's good. Right, thank you, bye bye, until the next time.